Good morning, good morning. My screen didn't update. We are live. What is going on, everybody? Good morning, good morning. How's everybody feeling this morning? Will's early with the chat. Before I even went live, he was already chatting up in there. What's up, bro? Good morning. Looks like you're all set up with your account and everything like that, so I'm excited. I'm excited for you. Xers, good morning, good morning. Just getting myself settled in. Gents been already. I need to buy an SD card. That's what I need to do. And these SD cards are getting expensive, man. Well, the ones I need are getting expensive. I need a 128 gig V90 SD card. This is the exact same one I have. I have two of these. So there's a 2-pack for $219. $119, man. But I need it, unfortunately. I need it. Let's see if we can keep first today. Hey, let's see. Let's see what happens, brother. Let's see what happens. But good morning. Good morning. This is the dilemma. Freddie! What's up, Freddie? Okay, everybody. I know it's kind of early. There's only 6 people watching, but Freddie, all the shorts that you guys see that are edited already and then I'm posting them, he's the guy editing it. Freddie, shout out to you. Thank you, man. Shout out to Freddie. Freddie. Bro, I just don't want to spend money on a freaking 100 and... I'm gonna need this. Because I'll have to buy this later. Man. Alright, y'all. We're getting the day started. I need to see how long it is to transfer everything. Maddie, good morning. Welcome. All right, let's just do our morning routine so we can kind of just take a look at what we're looking at right now. So a lot going on. Let me bear with me here. I'm gonna take you off my screen. I'm gonna turn off my camera so that internet speeds and everything like that are good. I'm making a coffee, then hopping on my PC to make some trades. All right, brother. All right, just so everybody knows, what is it? Wolf won the 50K. It was a 25K is what I thought, but it actually ended up being a 50K TX3 50K challenge. So in the future side, which is what I represent for TX3, they only have a 50K as the smallest. So 2-phase 50K. Start your challenge now. Boom. So congrats to Wolf Hunt for getting that. We might take a break from the giveaways today, okay, guys? I mean, if that kind of lowers my views, it's all good, but can't do a giveaway every day. Can't do that every day. I mean, maybe we can. you know. Am I Indian? Holy cannoli, that's the first time I've ever been asked if I've been Indian, bro, or if I'm Indian. No, I am not Indian. I am Filipino. But Indians are cool. I'm just saying, I've never been asked if I was Indian before. So, that's cool. All right, we've got gold here on the bottom, trading view. We're gonna clean our charts like we always do. We're gonna mark off our levels, our entries, areas of interest. So we've got a 1 hour supply that I like right up here, and then a 1 hour demand down here. Sorry, got distracted. I don't know how people got a 2.5K accounts unless they took them away. No, that was another prop firm, Wolf, that I was giving away the 25K accounts. So with this prop firm, they only have 50K. All right, this screen is set up, so I need it for work. So these are my 1 hour supply and demand levels. They're the most extreme areas that like above and below the range. So I like trading in those areas. We're kind of going sideways since Monday the 1st. So I'm anticipating some sort of breakout higher or lower of these two supply and demands. Maybe today, maybe not. Technically speaking, we are in this 1 hour supply, but I don't want to trade that. I'd rather wait for, on gold specifically, I'd rather wait for something up here. I'm just going to set my levels out. Or set my alerts, boom, and then set an alert here. So wherever, if price does get to any of these yellow boxes, that's what we're going to get interested to potentially take a trade. Now let's take a look at NQ. NQ was actually pretty interesting. News came out yesterday. Feds dropped a quarter of a basis point. I talked about how Feds possibly dropping a quarter of a basis point could get the market's excited, but it's pretty much bought in. And we rallied up, and then after hours, I think Asia session, we started selling off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours of just selling off, which is great. So we created a lower low here, went higher, create a lower low. So if we were interested to do anything, here's a 1 hour supply. Possibly this could be the 1 hour supply. And then longs would probably potentially be here. And then there's a demand right here. So there's a few different scenarios. I'd like to short up here on NQ. I'd want to be short up here somewhere on the 1 hour if we get there. Potential play would be right now, price coming down to this 1 hour demand where we're at down here to go long. It's a bit high risk. because we did sell off and we might be creating a new leg lower. But technically speaking, on the 1 hour, price broke above the 13 EMA, held. So I kind of like the idea. I feel a little pressured because of it being kind of fast and happening so fast. But potentially looking for a price to come down here, retest, and then make the next leg long. Or we wait, don't do anything, and see if it does come up here. If price does come up here, we wait for, you know, some sort of break of structure, enter in short, we go there. So it's a little early. It's a little early. Let's just let price do its thing. I'll set alerts here and here and down here. And now we wait. Now we just chill out. And this is gold that I got here. So gold, we're gonna write here. Nice. All right. Let me catch up here. The man, the myth, the legend. We passing some combines today or what? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're gonna pass today. Well, actually, yeah. Hopefully today. Yeah. I need 1,000. It should be set. They use to have 2.5K accounts because there's people in their Discord talking about only getting a 2.5K. Who are you talking about? TX3 or I don't know. Confused. More TA LARPing. Drop TA and learn to do math. Don't be a degenerate. Astrology doesn't help you become profitable. Math does. All right. I like it. Good morning to you. Good morning to you, Skatins for Life. Welcome to the chat. I like it. Where do you come from with this math, understanding? How do you trade the markets using math? Tell me about it. That would be interesting. Wolf. Yeah. Oh, okay. Gotcha. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what the 2.5K accounts. I've never heard of it. So either way, you got a 50K. So much better. But yeah, I'm curious to learn how you trade using maths to be profitable. I haven't looked at Bitcoin in a while. All right. Bitcoin came to the daily, this daily candle that I drew out before, and pushed up a little higher. There's another daily right up here. Daily supply. It's rejected. We're at 90,000 right now. There might be another move today higher on gold. I'm expecting shorts up in the 100,000 area. Some heavy shorts up there. Some people up there waiting to short, but I might be wrong. On the daily, if we close below 87,726, I think we continue the next leg lower on Bitcoin. I don't trade Bitcoin. I don't have any Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is like the North Star for a lot of people, right? So it's a way for people to know where the markets are going. So markets are just probabilities, essentially random with positive skew. Learn. Bro, you're so confident. I love how confident you are behind a keyboard. You act like you act like I know nothing and have never done something, but that's how the internet works. Is You jump on someone's YouTube live, you're confident enough to say whatever you want to say because you don't have to show your face. You don't have to know anything. You can just say whatever you want. So I'd be happy to debate and talk with you, but you're disrespectful in the way that you talk. So it's like, I can't respect you if you're just going to be so confident and cocky about me being degenerate. You know, that's not how you talk to people. Luckily, like, I'm only saying this because it's my live, it's my YouTube channel. But like, I have healthy debates with people and conversations, but never do I roll up on them and call them degenerates and learn as if I know something, you know. But it's how people are. Of course, markets are probabilities, bro. Have you not? Maybe you've never been to the live. Oh, you're just assuming things, assuming if I don't know anything. But you know, that's you. Read about geometric Brownian motion. Now pass. Why are you in here? Yeah. The thing is, would say my luck isn't that good, but I don't know how I had enough luck to get the 50K count. I'm still so surprised about it. Hey man, you got it. Psh, it worked out. You know what I mean? Shut the Maddie, appreciate it, but you know, it's all good. It's all good. I got it, bro. I got you. I got it. We're good. You know what I mean? No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Manny, what's up, brother? What's up? What's up? He's doing his on the channel. You in here? Oh man, I entered by accident. I didn't mean to just say learn. It's all good, dude. I'm just saying you're assuming as if I don't know anything, and you're saying astrology doesn't help you become profitable. Like, bro, hold your horses, man. Like, coming in hot. Look, you're welcome to stay, and I chat it up with people all the time. Even people come in here, make fun of me and whatever. We end up being friends, but like, you're either a troll or you seriously want to be right about something, and who cares? I say this all the time. You actually said, oh, astrology is not going to make you profitable. Let me challenge you with this. If, for whatever reason, I shorted only when the moon was a full moon and the stars aligned and it was wintertime, and I only shorted then and I made money, would you care? Would anybody care? Would anybody care that it's not done by math? Would anybody care that it's not SMT divergence with a fair value gap and a whatever else? Like, would anybody care? Nah, bro. No. So just to challenge you, I just want you to understand, like, because astrology and whatever you said doesn't really, and TA doesn't make people profitable, you don't know that. What if there are people who literally trade off of astrology and are profitable? What are you going to say then? So, he's pissing me off this morning. It's all good, guys. I'll go. Hey, I only challenge people in the mindset that Mr. Skates came in with. And I apologize if I was a little bit like harsh, but I have to correct that because it's all over Instagram. It's all over YouTube. People who want to be right in trading. Okay, sorry. What is the point of being right in trading? It doesn't matter. I highly recommend the book The Best Loser Wins by Tom Hugart, because it really it helps you understand, like, there's no reason to be right. There's no reason to be right about anything. The only thing that's there is you in the markets. And I can close my eyes and decide to short only at 8 o'clock every single day and be no technical analysis at all and be profitable. And I just want to challenge you guys. I just want to open up your mind at strategies and setups, and all this stuff is fugazi unless you're making money. And it doesn't have to sound fancy. It doesn't have to sound cool. You know what I mean? As long as you're making money, that's all that matters. So that's my morning little harp. That's my little and Skates. You're welcome to be here, brother. You're welcome to be here. I just gotta correct it every now and then, you know. Especially guys on YouTube and Instagram. I just see it. You know, people want to be right, even when they're not profitable. They want to be right in their mind, and that has nothing to do with anybody else but themselves. You know, I had to recognize that when I first started trading. I would look at guys trade and see them lose. And like, oh, well, he didn't look at the da-da-da-da, and the trend was already going this way, and the da-da-da. What does that freaking matter? I'm not profitable. So I have no business telling other people why they're not profitable or why they lost in a trade. You know what I mean? And even when I am profitable, I'm not gonna care if they if they're losing. So yeah. I'm not trying to be rude. My scary, oh goodness gracious. React to my username, please. There you go, bro. Skates, yes. Hey everyone, I'm looking for trading busy, maybe even making business later on my mostly. If anyone's interested, I'm 23 years old, been trading for about 7 months now. Someone's selling in the chat. It's gambling at that point. What's gambling? Taking a short when the moon is full moon, because if there's an edge to it, and the edge is that for whatever reason the markets go short when there's a full moon, is that gambling, or is there a probability? Someone just has to test it. Then that's outlier and not worth discussing. Hey everyone, I'm looking forward to trading maybe. Okay, all right, Mr. You already sent your pitch. You already tried to sell. I don't know if anybody's tried to buy. So, bro, please get back to your daily plan. Oh yeah, thank you. Yeah, basically, if you're gambling, you might be profit. Long run, you won't make money. Probability catches you out for sure. Questions: how many contracts would you suggest for trading on TX3? It's not how many I would suggest. It's based on your risk parameter and how much you want to risk. I would suggest watching some futures educational videos where it shows you how many points are on per contract. You might want to trade micros where it's a little bit more, you can have your stops a bit wider trading micros as opposed to minis. Goal. Yo, Shaq, what's up? Goal. What up? Risk management is not gambling. Yeah, 100%. Totally agree. Risk management is not gambling. Yeah, that's gambling. That's not enough of an edge. The probability is too low. Who cares? It's so funny. It's like, sure. Again, if I brought you someone that literally is profitable from shorting when the moon is full, it doesn't matter what anybody says. You know what I mean? All the analytical thinking and scientificness about wanting to be right just goes out the window. So yeah. My little rant for today, my head's all tingly because I was thinking hard. Now I'm gonna chill out. So, okay. So like I was saying earlier, there's a 1 hour demand here that looks kind of interesting. Few reasons. Okay. It doesn't look great right now. If we look at the 1 hour as a whole, doesn't look great, right? Because we just made a new lower low, and now we're coming up, and we might create the next leg lower, right? That might be happening. But in the interim, I'm looking for price to come up here anyway. I'm looking to short up here. So there might be a move where price comes down to this 1 hour demand. We find some sort of entry confluence, and we come up here and look to go short. And so that's why I'm considering to go long here. There's a few confluences. One, the 1 hour demand has regained the 13 EMA. That means it's bullish. That means for the short term, this right here means that we're moving up. Look on the 1 hour. We're starting to retrace higher. Who cares about what's happening here right now? Okay? We're just going to focus on this. So we regained 13 EMA. We had a base rally. So this creates a demand area. This weekend, I'm going to be learning how to incorporate volume profile indicator. I'm very interested in it. There's a trader that I like that uses it. I'm going to see if it pairs well with supply and demand. If it does, you guys will see that next week. But the other confluence is that we have the 13 EMA here for price to come down and retest it on the 1 hour. So those are my reasons to want to go long. We also have the 200 EMA inside of the 1 hour demand with the 13 EMA on the 1 hour time frame. So we have multiple reasons to consider possibly going long. Consider. Okay, we're not definitely doing it. And then maybe the last and final straw for me to say, okay, let's do this would be a break of this trend line inside of this 1 hour demand. So for sure, I want to see price tap this 1 hour demand. No questions about it. And then 2, I'm going to want to see a break of the trend line or break of structure or change of structure, however you guys say it. So that is the most immediate play in my mind. On gold, we're kind of stuck in this range. I don't want to touch anything unless we go up here or down here. It's a 1 hour demand and 1 hour supply. So I'm going to lay off on gold right now. I don't want to look at something and think there's an opportunity here. I'd rather wait for it to break outside of this range to either short or long. All right, so just catching you up. Risk management, yeah, it's gambling. That's not enough edge to probably too low. Risk management isn't gambling, but having so high risk is gambling. Some people make millions gambling. That's very true. Some people literally make millions gambling because they manage their risk. Now, I feel like I just hate seeing retail get destroyed because of these pervasive ideas that are based on nothing but feels. Bro, could you share info on that volume profile indicator? Yes, I will be happy to. I don't want to talk on something that I'm not fully confident in yet. So give me this weekend when my business is quiet and no one's texting and calling me, it gets really busy throughout the day. I'm going to hunker down this weekend because I do enjoy it. So yeah, one last thing. Now I feel you hate seeing retail get destroyed because of these pervasive ideas that are based on nothing but feels. I want to explain, and you may not be meaning it in this way, but what makes me think about this, Skate, is everything that we're looking at on the screen is emotion. It is feelings. Okay? And every candle that we're looking at is made up of a bunch of buyers and sellers, whether they're huge hedge funds or they're like you and me, they're all emotions. So if we look at the charts as emotions, as psychology, that'll help understand, yeah, these trend lines are fugazi. But at the end of the day, we are looking at emotions and feelings when we're looking at charts. It is technical analysis, but yes, I think you're maybe agreeing with that, but I can't tell. I just wanted to get that out there. Bro, could you share? Appreciate you being patient and at least halfway interacting with the ideas. 100%, brother. 100%. Yeah, and I'm always open to anything, right? But I also have my reservations and opinions, and I'm open to share that at any point. And this is a free world, so you can kind of do that anywhere you want. Or sorry, America is kind of. Not going to get into the details about that, but yeah, appreciate you, and hopefully I get to see you again. And it was great kind of just debating with you on that. Eric's in the chat. Bro, what's up, Eric? What's up? Eric posted his rig in the chat. Huge semi-truck. It's just big. Oh, okay, here's the challenge for the day, guys. I'm not going to do curls. I don't know who said to do curls, to not do curls last time, but I get it. So I'm not going to do curls today. I'm going to do the lateral movement like this. I don't know what that's called, but I would do that at the gym. You lift your arms up like that. So I'll do that 25 times, probably 10 pounds because I haven't done that in a while. So the challenge is we got to get to 50 likes, and I'm going to do those lateral arm movements. So yeah, there you go. Most trading is this. Trading is pretty much passing funds from retail to hedge funds. So many sneaky things in play. I had eToro delay the actual price bought in, then it updated and I sold. Gotcha. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of scammy things that brokers and stuff do with slippage, and those guys are the real money makers because all they do is just collect money every time someone places a trade, whether they win or lose. But yeah, I see what you're saying. How old are you, man? Man, take your guess, bruh. Take your guess. Have your crack at it. Don't beat me up too hard, but give me your guess, bro. Give me your best guesstimate. Super thanks. I was looking into that as well. Okay, you got it. Yes, Maddie, you got it. I've already watched 2-3 videos. Like at night when I'm winding down, like I'm here by 5:30, and then my day ends at like 5:36. So it's like a full 12-hour day, and then I get home and I wind down. Spend time with my wife, and then there's like this hour or so of just chill, and that's when I watch these videos. I've already watched 3 of volume profile indicators, and I'm very picky on who I learn from. So I just Yeah, just give me some time. I saved some videos and I'll get back to you on that. So I'm excited to take a look at it. Eric is here. Now the party can start. Yeah, exactly. He said just short that ish, dude. Okay, bro. You know what? Wait, short what? I'll do I have the demo account, so I need to start doing that. I made 100 on 400 because of delayed pricing after the Fed rate announcement. Someone got screwed. Yeah, 100%. Today I found out that price isn't the actual price. Yeah, I mean, depending on what software you're using, I mean, we don't know if we're getting real-time data, but you know, like CBOT or CME, you can pay TradingView for the most accurate, up-to-date data. You know, I know people who pay for the most internet and the most all the subscriptions to have the most accurate data, and they like hyperscalp. But you know, Gemini was giving me the price that was so different to brokers. Gotcha. How do you short live rather than regular YouTube live? How do shorts live rather than regular YouTube live? I just learned last week that you can go horizontal live and shorts live at the same time. I just haven't been able to hunker down and just focus on doing it. Gemini was right now where I could see the actual price. Gemini was right on. Nice. Yeah. I tried like trading with AI before a few months ago, and I had made a rant about it yesterday, and that's not my thing. Goal 27. Ooh, okay. Manny 34. Ooh, Centric coming in with the 55. Oh man, that scares me. One day, Lord willing, I'm gonna be 55. That's crazy to think, but I am 34. Manny hit it right on the bell. 50, 55. That's crazy. Who are you looking at? I've been watching this dude. Do a game where you do 50 push-ups in total, regardless of reps, and set every time you get SL. Whoa, bro! Yesterday would have been 100 push-ups then, because I hit my stops twice yesterday. I thought about something like that, where it's like, all right, we hit SL, you know, but I guess that is breeding mentality where I did something wrong. I'd rather do the push-ups if I emotionally trade and do something stupid. Yesterday, I was happy. I got stopped out twice, but on following my like system and rules, and I didn't over leverage and I didn't get emotional. So I was happy about losing because I just followed the rules, right? So I'd rather do the push-ups out of doing something wrong. And sometimes a losing trade isn't wrong. And that's something I had to learn, guys, and not to get off another rant, but like I had to learn a losing trade following the setup is not wrong. It's not bad. I would associate losing trades to me as a person. I'm bad, I'm wrong, I'm stupid, I don't know what I'm doing. But as long as you're following some sort of a system, you're sticking to some rules, and you lost a trade, that's probabilities, and you detach from the situation, you could be happy with it. So yeah. Ain't no party like a Diddy party. Oh, Eric, what the? Isn't that what this generation says nowadays? Oh, God. Yes, I've heard that. Yes, it happens, Wolf. I know I already lost number one. It's all good, bro. It's all good. Dude's name is Trader Dale. Never heard of Trader Dale. I have to take a look at him. I lost second to now. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah. It's gonna go back and forth. What's your opinion on the poll question? Oh yeah, I forgot I did the poll. Yeah, let's take a look at the poll. Feds dropped rates and the markets tank? Question mark. Why? Because we are due for a reset. Spelled that wrong. 33% of you say it's because we think there's a reset coming. 48% of you say that this is temporary, up from here. 48%. And then 19%, I don't trade. I'm new. What's this? So, yeah, my opinion with the markets right now, I might be a little bit more tinfoil hatty of a person, meaning I like to believe that there's other things at play. But in 2020, during COVID and everything like that, with the stimulus checks and just being automatically sent billions of dollars into people's pockets and bank accounts, and the Fed's printing more money and propping the economy, I feel like that caused more strain with debt with the United States. Okay. And with the run up, the crazy run up that we had, that I feel like that's artificial. And a lot of it was from the fake money, from the Feds pumping money. That being said, we're trillions and trillions of dollars in debt, and we can't just drop the rates, and we can't raise rates. We're in this like weird place that we're trying to have a quote unquote soft landing, when I believe that because the rates were only a quarter of a basis point, that was already bought into the markets. Like, I feel like everybody knew the quarter of a basis point wasn't going to be much, and there's so many other factors right now going on with real estate prices dropping a bit. Credit card, personal credit cards are at all-time highs. Loan delinquencies on mortgages and cars, and repos at all-time highs. I feel like the quarter of a basis point was not enough to get people excited, and it was already priced in. So we had that rally up, and people still feel the sentiment of the inflation. They still feel the inflation. The eggs are expensive. The milk is expensive. Like, people are struggling still. So that's why I think the market continued lower, and no one got really excited about it. So I'm a bear at heart. I kind of want to see what I saw in 2020 all over again. 2020 was my first year of trading, so I saw some amazing things, and that got me hooked. So I'm kind of hoping for that downtrend again, and just to be riding that wave. So there's my long-winded answer to your question. LOL. Good point there. Just used to calculate resistance points and scrape information from the internet. You could use it as a tool to help, but not to do it for you. Yeah, I tried, but I don't like the opinions that it was making for me. It's a little bit biased. Even if I wanted some deeper understanding of things, it's like I'm trusting something that's biased to making me feel good, right? It's like AI is trained to please the user, and I don't like AI. But yeah, just saying that. How's delivery going today, Eric? There you go. Empty now, heading out to pick up. They go into South Carolina. Sheesh. Freaking crazy, bro. How's the weather out there, Eric? Joseph said hi. What's up, man? What's up? Eric, I made so much money in trucking during COVID. I bet, bro. I bet. Like, literally everything, just, there was a downfall in a lot of businesses. It was the most extreme, like, highs and lows for companies. Some companies completely out of business because of it, and some companies blew up because of it, right? So I held the bag. Like, in 21, I bought my Toyota Supra, and I bought this Tesla, and bruh, I bought them, and with all the money printing, you know, I bought a little bit higher than I wanted on the Tesla. Now I'm holding the bag on it. Luckily, the Supra appreciated over time, and I had equity in it. But yeah, like, COVID made a lot of people a lot of money, and also closed some doors. Export countries will struggle from the cut. A weaker dollar is better for exports. China and Japan will struggle more as they export a lot. A stronger yen is worse for production costs. Cool. We're paying more in interest payments than our actual debt payment. Yeah, well, yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's a scary time, man. A scary time. I feel like the only way for equilibrium in the markets is a reset, you know? But the saying holds true. The rich get richer, the poor get poorer. I think that's always going to continue that way. Giveaway today? ? Goal. Bro, I can't do it every day. You know, I gotta spice it up. You gotta like you got to change it up, you know? You can't just be doing the same thing every day and you guys get trained to think I'm going to give you every day. Give you maybe tomorrow. Maybe we'll do one tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. But today is just a no, you know? The weather's chilly. My weekend run from South Carolina goes home to Arkansas. Nice, bro. Nice. That's not bad of a drive. Not too bad. I mean, that's bad for me, but for you, it's probably not too bad. Okay, so NQ is rejecting here. Market's about to open, so just looking at it as if market's not going to open, we created a higher high instead of a lower high. We broke above here, so potentially looking at long in this 5-minute demand, but with market just about to open, not going to rush anything. It's a hawkish cut too, so likely going to get worse economically. Yeah, totally agree. Totally agree. Nah, man, I was just asking. Don't take it seriously. Okay, cool. Because part of me feels bad, you know. I can. I literally have. I have one with Funded Hero I can give, and one with TX3 Markets I can give. So, but you know, I do this with my team, with the call center. If you guys are watching right now from the call center, they know. Like some days I'm like, okay, guys, get 3 appointments. I'll give you a $20 bonus each. You know, and then some days I don't even mention it. So you got to keep it fresh, keep people on their toes, and I guess really more than that, it means more when it's not given all the time. You know, there's more value in it. So yeah. Hello, what broker is this best for futures trading? Right now, I am using TopStep has its own platform, but for brokers, if you're going to put in your own funds, Tradeovate is what I'm going to use. The Supra, I sold it. I'm waiting for some funds from that to take and put towards the next car, but also take a little bit and throw some into the markets and open my own live funded account. So, guys, if you are still watching, it would mean so much to me if you could drop a like, if I earned it, and if I earned your like, it would mean so much to me. And then also subscribe. I try to go live every single day. I can't promise that I do, but I try to go live every day. So if you do subscribe, every subscriber means so much to me. It has definitely been a grind, but I do love it. I do enjoy trading and going live with you guys. The part about not being able to lower rates and raise rates is really insightful. Gotcha. Yeah. I mean, everyone has their opinions about the markets, but the pros and cons of raising rates and lowering rates are so crazy. I don't know, think of any word for it, that anything being done right now is looked at with like a magnifying glass. Like even Powell yesterday was talking. I listened to a clip on Instagram. He was talking about how usually when they're doing decisions for rates cuts or, you know, raising rates or whatever the case is, it's usually a unanimous decision between the 12. You know, it's just 12 people decide, yes, we're going to go ahead and do it. But yesterday he was like, it takes time, and it's 9 out of 12 people decide yes, and the rest no. So the fact that there's some indecision inside of the government and them making decisions means that they got to tread carefully and lightly. And that's the markets that we're in. We get to enjoy it. You know, the volatility is good for traders. Low volatility and ranging markets are hard to trade, right? So yeah. Wealth charts have a really good deal right now. I've never heard of wealth chart. I'll have to take a look at that. Maddie, hit the like. Yeah, bro. Thank you. Man. All right, market's about to open. Time is flying. Let me check on this SD card. I'm transferring data right now. Yes, 57 minutes left. Yes, I can take this SD card. I don't have to buy one. Earlier, I was telling everybody I have to buy an SD card. Need AZ real for today. I already. Oh man, I'm just thankful to be alive, guys. Just thankful to be alive. Trying to be as present as possible. That's what I'm working on. So today, trying to be present, not let the day get ahead of me. So let's take a deep breath, everybody. Let's do our morning yoga. Breathe in that air. Poor Eric, he's breathing in that diesel truck air. Take a deep breath and just soak in the moments, the vibes. We gotta read the markets as they are. Try to be in the moment. So yeah, that's it. Feeling good, guys. I'm feeling good. I just took my first trade on the TX3 account. Let's go. Stand by, y'all. Stand by. Stand by. Gotta post my Instagram stories, y'all. My bad, my bad. I forgot to do that. Sounds lame, but it's just my thing. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram on ShackMT. It's my personal page, and then the trading page is Matrix Trading LLC. That's where I post trading content and everything trading content. I like to stay up to date with what I post every single day. It's fun to me, and I'm the one that looks back at my stories at the end of the day and say, "Oh, I did that today. Oh, cool. I like that." You know, so. Congrats, Wolf Hunt. Yes, sir. Anyone know what time London high and London low is? I don't know what that is. I don't know. I haven't looked at I don't have the session times pulled up. What are the pink boxes, bro? Peace and love. Good morning. Good morning. Appreciate that, brother. Pink boxes are supply and demand areas. So this is supply on the 1 hour, and this is demand on the 1 hour. This is a 5-minute demand on the 5 minute, and then I've got 1 hour supply, 1 hour demand down here. So I know it looks kind of crazy, but there's a method to the madness. On gold, we are breaking out of that range, which is great, guys. I don't like the longs, or I don't like shorting this 1 hour supply too much because we're creating higher highs or lower highs. See this? That's what it's looking like. So I don't know if we do look for a short, it would be a quick short. It wouldn't be a long short, or it wouldn't be looking for a big move. Do you wait for a specific time to trade? Anything? Actually, no. 6:30 my time is an hour before market open. I'm trying to push myself to wake up a little bit earlier because I have to charge the Tesla. It takes like 30 minutes. So I'm trying to get here by 5:30 in the morning, like on the charts by 5:30. I get to the office by 5:30. I'm just not on the charts by 5:30. I'm doing other things. So I want to be on the charts by 5:30 because there are moves that happen between the New York and New York pre-market and London session close. There's like an hour or two where both sessions are open, and some moves happen there. And then also with Arizona, there's no daylight savings time, so it's kind of weird. So right now, when daylight savings time changes, market open's going to be at 6:30 instead of 7:30 for me. So I got to train myself to get to the markets by 5:30 no matter what. Don't know where I got all that, but ask GPT or Gemini for the time for London and Asia. GPT, they're there to help. AI is here to help for now. Just saying, for now. Appreciate you guys leaving the likes. Leaving the likes means a lot. Kind of gets the algorithm juices flowing. Get people kind of coming in and tuning in. So yeah, appreciate it. I bought these DJI mics for my clients. I record videos and stuff. I only had one mic at the time, and bro, these mics, it's a steal for $100, $150, I think. Receiver, it's all in this beautiful little case, nice and high quality. So yeah, it's charged up. I'm ready to take this. Market's open in 4 minutes. If we short gold, I would take it from the wick to the left. That's by itself. This here, yeah, interesting. It might hit up there. I'll mark it out. So that's the wick. I will look here for the confluence. Okay, guys, inside of this demand or supply. So if we are gonna short, I'm going to want to see, stand by. If we short anywhere up in here, okay, I'm going to wait to see this. We're going to wait for a break of structure to enter in. That's the only way I'm going to take a short, and it's got to be in that 1 hour supply. For now, until AI algorithm traders. Yeah, one day that might happen. You got beef with AI? Shh. Don't say that, bro. Because then they're gonna know. They're listening right now. AI's listening. I'm gonna be one of those on the chart. Watch out for that guy. I do have beef. I don't like AI. I don't like where AI is going. Yes, AI is gonna make life easier for a lot of people, but I just don't like AI. The wick that your box is on was the first raid to the high. We could potentially do a second raid and then sell off. That's true. I've seen that before. I've seen that where it breaks above the wick and then rejects. So I agree with you. But I'm not profitable. I just go based on what I've seen before. 100%. Yeah, that is a setup that happened on one of our lives before where I got stopped out in my entry point and it rallied higher. It broke above the wick. And then I entered in one more time short after the wick break and the reject, and it was a winner. It's just hard. Okay, so when you guys look at this, right? When we look at this 1 hour supply, there's multiple scenarios that can happen, and you have to decide how you want to have your entry. You can do the ones I'm talking about, where I look for a break of structure and then short. It can do this. Break up higher, reject, and just fall off. And then the last one would be this. And it just keeps going higher. So after so many attempts at just shorting straight into supply, what I like is to wait for the break of structure. And I could still be wrong. I've seen it break structure and then continue higher. You know what I mean? It's like everyone was talking about earlier, it's just probabilities. So Halad, welcome. All right, market open, everybody. Stay tight. It's time for me to eat my meal. I'm down an extra 2 pounds today, guys. I'm down to 318. I couldn't believe my eyes on the scale. I was like, yo, do I see that right now? I was 341 pounds like 4 weeks ago. So it was super encouraging to see 318. I kind of don't believe it. I feel like something's wrong with the scale and it's lying to me. It's just trying to make me feel good. It's like, oh, Mishak, he's gonna get on the scale. We're gonna tell him 318 today when really he's still 325. Yo, CEO of ChatGPT says he's training his child with AI. ChatGPT. Whoa, what the heck? Are you kidding me? That's what I'm saying, bro. ChatGPT, man. I watched a video about AI last night and how multiple AI experts and even Sam Altman described AI to be an alien. Like an alien? Like what? Bro, we're over here accepting that this is an alien. And all of our sources, all of our resources of electricity, of data centers and everything, we're trying to create more data centers to get more computing power to have AGI, artificial general intelligence, which is like we're giving birth to an alien force. Okay, I'm ranting, but you know. The reason for that week is because there's order blocks within it that confirm the market change. Trends ends where others begin. I see what you're saying. Very true. Trigger's off your... Sorry. My finger is off the trigger. Okay, guys? I try not to do anything in the first 10 or 15 minutes. Seen this always on Facebook, YouTube. Just passing, getting interested, no idea how. Nice. Well, welcome, first off. Second off, it's a long journey of trading. But not for everybody. But if it's interesting you, I'm here to entertain you. Maybe you see me lose money, make money today, we don't know. When one scale up so fast, even the wins feel like a lie. Yeah, it's true. That's probably not the best way to say it, LOL. I'm talking about your weight, your new weight. Yeah, you know, I see what you're saying. Yeah, it really does feel like a lie. Like I had to I got on the scale 3 times, literally. Like, no, and I moved it on the floor. I was like, okay, maybe something's going on with the floor. Let me move it over here. And I was like, okay, 318. Let me go over here. Step on the scale. 318. All right, you know what? One more time. I moved it over. I stepped on the scale. At 318. I was like, oh my gosh. I guess I did lose more weight. So, yeah, it's been great. I'm not drinking enough water. I need to drink more water. So, y'all hold me accountable. If you don't see me drink at least 1 water on the stream, something ain't right. See if I make it. Nope. Congrats on the weight loss. Thanks, brother. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. We're gonna let the good times roll, okay? Let's keep losing weight. Let's keep showing up to the markets. Let's keep good positive vibes. As best as possible. My gosh, I didn't check if there was news. Hold on. All right, no red folder news. Clear skies. We're green light to trade. Hourly curls and water chugging. I'm gonna turn this into a fitness channel, all right? Every hour, at the top of the hour, we drink water, we do curls. Ay caramba, ay caramba. Shaq is the new Johnny Bravo. Are you talking about the YouTuber Johnny Bravo? Or the cartoon? But there's a YouTuber named Johnny Bravo. I love that guy. He's pretty controversial. Talks about some like influencers and stuff like that. But yeah, I'll be the Asian Johnny Bravo. My hair's got to get more poofy. Line 6. Excuse me. I didn't mean to just burp in y'all's face. Whole new group at the top of the leaderboard today. I'm liking the channel growth. Thanks, man. Thank you. Yeah, I mean the views are a little bit lower as far as like live watches, but it's part of it. But cartoon. I didn't know where there was a YouTube channel. Yeah, look up the guy. He's funny. He kind of talks about some of the YouTubers out there that are very. It's up to you. I don't want to say it on my channel. I don't want to have the idea that this is like my entertainment, but there's obviously fake gurus, not just trading gurus, but like course sellers and whatnot, and they like drive Bugattis, but then you find out that the Bugatti's for sale, and they don't want them to know that it's for sale. He does like investigations, finding out that the Bugatti that he has is actually for sale, been listed, and they forced to change the color on the listing so that they don't find out that the course seller is actually selling his Bugatti because he's ashamed to tell everybody. Yeah, that kind of stuff. I drink water like a cactus. I mean, you don't get enough because these cactuses out here only get once. Oh wait, is that what you're saying? Because these cactuses don't get enough water, bro. Seeing them out here in the desert, like, oh man, poor little cactus, thirsty. All right, gold is making that new leg higher. It looks like. Cleo and Cloud, what's up? What's up? Good morning. I know I'm not doing anything and it seems boring, but there's nothing that I see. You know what I mean? Nothing that I see. Sounds like the average influencer. Yeah, exactly. 50 setups for every loss taken at the end of the stream. Then I'm not trading today, Eric. I'm out. I'm not trading anything then. Oh man, that is funny. All right, so we had this 5-minute candle closure below these lows. Also this low. So potentially would like to go short up here. Potentially. Guys, I don't want to forget something, so I'm going to change the screen. Just bear with me, okay? Bear with me. Okay, thanks. Had to eject my memory card. Johnny's a part of the reason why a lot of our generation is dogs today. Is dogs today? I don't know what that means. Already ejected. Got myself a full memory card today, bruh. We're doing something right when I'm bored. He was a stud. Yeah. I'm bored. That's a good thing. That's a good thing, guys. Yeah, part of me kind of wants to do something, but that means I'm recognizing the feeling. You guys want to see one of the videos that my editor just edited? We just had it drop out today. Get those effing emotions out the room. Kick him out, Manny. Kick him out. This is called Feature Friday. That's my client. That's a video we made. Shout out to you, Pat. I know you're watching or see me watching, but that was a fun video to shoot. Oh, I'm gonna get demonetized on the video because of this song. Shoot, didn't think that through. All good. When you record for restaurants, you get free food because I would love to do that. Yeah, my client, he owns an electrician company. Like he's in electrical, and then we do feature Fridays. Like we highlight local businesses using his account. We got 5 million views on his account last month. So we feature other businesses. So whenever we do go to restaurants, they do offer us free food, and I just say no. If I wasn't on the diet, I'd say yes. I was gonna get cheese curds from Culver's. He's like, "You want some cheese curds?" I was like, "Yes, I do, but I can't." So hit the like, please. And Maddie said in caps, "Hit the like, please." Long and cute. Come on, NQ. Come on, NQ. Make that money. Make that money. Give Dashiki his money. And that is so sick. It is, bro. It is. I wish I was not on the diet because those cheese curds look good. No broke boys, no new friends. That song is jamming. Oh snap, Dashiki, so sorry. Hopefully you had a good stop loss or you're managing your risk. Cheese curds are amazing. They're god tier. Yeah, 100%, man. Literally god tier. Okay. We tapped the 1 hour demand. We tapped the 1 hour demand. Poutine. Yeah, exactly. True. Bro, have you seen the movie Up? I have. Epic movie. Dogs today equal chasing everything on the street. Oh, got you. Number boys, no two things. I just want to jam out. Let's just. I'm bored, guys. I'm bored. I'm just trying to soak it up. I'm live with you guys. I'm just live with you guys because I'm not trying to force anything right now. I send the message too early. Uh-oh. Man, look at this nice failed trendline break, eh? Or a trendline break right here, huh? We also had We also had this right here, but not good on the 1 hour. But we are just going to wait here and understand what we're looking at here. I think the leader award is broken. I've been stuck at 75 XP and the wolf comes out and nowhere it takes number 1. That's funny. Yeah, I don't know. Wolf is probably hacking. He's got the hacks on the chat. Hi y'all. New to trading, but I'd like to know what's up. I heard the market just opened, but what are we looking at now? Welcome for one. L Rose. Hopefully I said that right. We are looking at NQ at the bottom of the screen and gold in the middle of the screen. We are waiting for any sort of confluence to go short or long on both. So I'm just chilling and jamming out by myself. No problem. No thing. There's a lot of opportunity in the markets, but for right now, for my setup, nothing's really panning out. So just waiting. But welcome. Don't get angry on me, but you look like that kid from the movie. Thanks, bro. Oh man, I have gotten that. I have gotten that kid from Up. It's cause I shaved the goatee, bro. I had a little goatee here going on, and it was getting all like long, and I don't like when it gets long, and I have trouble like cutting it. So I shaved it off, and now thanks. He's funny though. He's Russell. Russell's funny. Shaq, I have to ask, as a Filipino, do you own a karaoke machine? I did growing up. My family had a karaoke machine. So, karaoke. I'm over here trying to say it Asian. My parents did have a karaoke machine, but I don't. Get that guy to respond on the GTR. Yes, there's a GTR R33. He's in Utah. He's a dealer. He just got it shipped from Japan. He said by Friday he's going to have some pictures for me. So tomorrow. As of right now, it's white. That's what I really want. I just want to make sure there's no rust or anything like that and start making the moves. And then R35s are starting to kind of pop out of nowhere in my price range. So looking at that also. I was here since the start. It jumped from 50 to 150, so no idea why. Weird. Okay, guys, so NQ's fallen off. There was really no reason or entry for me to go short. So I would anticipate at some point today a retracement. Any sort of retracement, and maybe one retracement. If it happens together here, I would take it short there. On gold, we tapped into supply. I don't see any sort of setup yet. Possible longs on gold here. Possible. Tough to say, but I do like the longs on gold. Or a quick one. Only way I will take this short is if it creates changes the change of structure. Wow. Stuttering there, but yeah. I don't know what. No, Wolf, it's weird. Yeah, it is weird. No boys, no do things. Exeter has made 80 on the trade on my prop account today. Let's go, Exers. However, still over a loss of 77. Hey, bro, it's all good, man. Take it small, take it slow, Xers. I don't know if you're in the chat, but he posted in the Discord. Oh, guys, if you haven't joined the Discord, it's completely free. Not selling anything. It's in the Discord. Or it's in the comments pinned at the top. Bro, NQ just selling off. What in the world, man? It's just leaving without us. It's making the new leg lower. Absolutely, man. No, you're doing great, man. You're doing great. Don't feel pressured to pass. Don't feel pressured to get a payout. Like, you're good. Just keep doing you. Let's go, Xers. My trade is at plus 310 right now. Nice, 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 nice. Good work, good work.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in long. It didn't get quite to my 5-minute demand, but that supply and demand sometimes doesn't really work out. So we're taking this chance long. Five-minute demand, trend line support. We haven't broken the lows. Looking for it to just make the next swing high. Might be wrong, but those are the reasons why I got in the trade. Also, I'm a little like been sitting here kind of, so I kind of forced the trade, but that's okay with me. I'd rather take the shot on it. I like the idea. I like the risk, and if it's a loser, it's a loser. You might want to go look at it in person because pictures can hide a lot. It's very true. I don't know if I can fly out to Utah, but yeah, if we come up with the numbers and they look decent, I probably will fly out. Make it a trip. We're struggling right now. You got to see this next 1 minute candle really push up. If it doesn't, most likely a stop out. I'll be in the Discord voice chat after I get loaded here in a bit. Copy. Dude, I try, but I'm on the road, I'm on calls, so if I literally find time where I have internet and I'm not on the phone or texting, I'll be on there. Looks like it'll be somewhat of a short day, so I'll be going live during Asia session. My strategy paper. Nice, bro. Might be cooked on this one, but NQ was not giving us any opportunity short, so decided to go long on here. If we don't see this 1 minute candle flip, not gonna be good. Not gonna be good. 3, 2, 1. We really got to see a push here. If not, we're cooked. Are you profitable? Prop firms this year have made around 12,000 total. Haven't looked lately, but I think I'm probably like 3 grand, 4 grand into prop firm accounts. So, I don't know. Sure. Maybe. I don't know. 8 o'clock opened. I'm going to add in at the break of this candle. If we get there, go full size. But, we're not out of the clear. I'm trying to learn to add into the trade if we're in the right direction. I don't want to average down. I almost did there. I want to add in when we're in profits. I'm trying to learn to do that. But we might get stopped out here. I don't think it's going to be perfect.
Order filled.
All right, we got stopped out there. It looks like leaving because the low time frame lies. Need to look at the 1 hour and 4 hour to see where it's reacting so the market can rebalance. For sure, I'm on the 1 hour right now. We rejected on the 1 hour supply. So now shorts are in play for me because we are breaking this demand. So as long as price breaks this lower, higher high, I will be looking to short now. Where's the box? Here it is. Here. Oh, we got to break this 5 minute area for me to look for shorts. And now we got to wait a while for one, it's got to break that low, and then 2, it's got to retrace. So that can be some time. Might be an entry candle to go lower. Yeah, it might be. At this point, I won't short it from here. Too risky in my opinion. So I would want to see a 5 minute candle close below here. Bro, what? Oh, did you send money, bro? I have never had that happen before. No way, bro. Go, you sent some money, bro? What in the world, bro? Thank you so much. Holy cannoli. Thank you so much. That means a lot. That's crazy. I've never received a super chat. Goal! W in the chat! Goal! W's in the chat for gold. Thank you so much, man. I don't even know what currency that is. It's just crazy to think that someone would send money to random person on the internet. Thank you. I've sent money to people before, so I guess it's not that crazy. Rupees, let's go! I got some rupees. I've never gotten rupees before, bruh.
Order filled.
All right, guys. This is going to be my entry here. Five-minute demand. It's definitely flipped over. We got buyers coming in. Want to see this 1 minute candle hold. I'm going to add in.
Order filled.
All right, I just added in. We're going to go for the swing high. I'm trying to do the opposite. I was listening to Tom Hugard's book, and you know the traders that he follows and knows, they add into winning trades, and I'm just trying to be that. I'm trying to learn how to add into winning instead of adding into a losing. I haven't done that in a while, but instead of averaging down, I want to average into a winning trade. But what he does is he leaves his stops where it's at, and I just don't want to leave my stops where it's at. So I have to. It just makes me trail tighter. So I have to be careful adding in. Time for a retrace. That's not even $1, man. It's all good, bro. I don't care. Money's money, man. I don't care. It's just cool to see it. Like I've been going live for a little bit now, so for someone to feel comfortable to send me a cent is just a win for me. So thank you, and it means a lot. Like I don't just say that. I don't, whether it's $100 or $1 or not even $1. Just means a lot that that someone would send something from around the world. So thank you. There are donations on. Sweet. Time for a retrace, baby. Risk it on 1,000 leverage. Let's make it there, baby. Let's easy 30 points. Don't be fooled by red candles. Yes, sir. Time for me to walk away from my computer. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, man. Good luck. Good luck. Old www's in the chat. All right, we're not out of the clear. We're still at risk. Okay, guys, there's still a chance for us to get a loser. If I want to be super safe, I'd have to go below here for my stops, but that is way too close or way too far, and I don't want to risk that much. So I'll say I'll risk the 530 here. It's gonna hurt, but I'll risk the 530, and I'll start moving it up once we like really do make any moves higher. So first TP. I mean, I want to go for the swing high. Maybe we get it. Maybe we don't. Also, Tom Hugart was saying like, you can put a cap and have control on where your stops are, which is good. Know where you want to get out, but don't necessarily know where you want to take profits. You know, this thing can continue higher and higher and higher. And the guys that make the most money in trading that he talks about, the ones where they let the winners win and they ride the wave, they just keep riding it, right? And so that's what I'm trying to learn. I'm trying to reverse my thinking. Instead of adding when I'm losing, adding in, averaging down, I want to add when I'm winning. And then instead of taking profits where I think I should let the charts tell me when to get out, right? Wish I went in with 2 contracts. I feel you, but you know, it is what it is. All right, we got 1 more minute left on this 5-minute candle. Let's see how it closes. Would like to see a nice leg higher, nice push higher. I'm going to consider TP1 and then a TP2. Those are my areas of taking profits. But again, I'm going to try not focusing on that and just letting it ride. We're not out of the clear. There's still risk. Thing can just reverse on us. But we shall see. We shall see. Hashtag God Candle. Yeah, we need it. We need it. We shall see. I'm going to add in if we get a flip up. YM, very different to NQ today. I've never looked at YM before. What is NQ doing? Oh, NQ's coming back up to a retracement area. A short area. But currently not doing that right now.
Order filled.
All right, we added in another contract. I'm going to stick to a $500 loss. I know Tom Hugart likes to add in, but I'm going against what usually happens, where you don't want to, like, he talks about how traders want to average down when they're in a losing trade because they're hoping that the thing's going to turn around, so they average in down here. I don't want to. I want to try doing what the majority is not doing. So I want to add in when we're in a winning trade. So that's what I'm trying to do. That's what I'm trying to train myself to do, is add in when we're in a winning trade. But I probably need to trail my stops a bit better. But yeah, I mean, if we can break the next swing high, sweet. I kind of want to get out of the trade at this TP here because I'm scared. I'm scared, I'm scared that it's not going to reach it here, but, let's just keep sitting on it. Told you guys, make that money. Yeah. Now, usually when it goes down, you can find the retrace and go back up. Hopefully. Not all the time. Kind of going against what I'm comfortable with by adding in, but I'm trying to do what the professionals do. I'm trying to do what the top guys do. Tough to say, guys. Tough to say. Okay, let's talk this through in my head. I want to take profits at that level because I don't feel comfortable and I'm afraid of losing money. I'm afraid of losing the trade. I'm afraid of not making any money on this trade. We're in profits. I'm afraid of losing unrealized potential. And psychology-wise, that's FOMO, that's emotions. And if I just trade what's in front of me right now, then I'm making better decisions. So if we look at this 5-minute.
Order filled.
All right, I just added another one. We're making the lower high here. Boom. We made the lower, the higher low. Wait, higher low, higher high. Yeah, higher low. So, you know, I have enough room to accept a break even or accept the loss. So, you know, I feel good in the direction that we're headed. I'm not confident that we're going to break the highs, but I'm just trading what's in front of me right now, right? So, let's just keep it at that. And if I lose this trade, it's just learning curve for me, guys. This is what I was listening to on my way up to my client yesterday, and I want to do what the big traders do. I want to do what the guys that make hundreds of thousands and millions of dollars a year do. They add into winning trades instead of adding to losers. So that's what I'm doing. NQ shorts up here probably be better.
Order filled.
I'm going against what I feel, guys. I'm going against it. I'm adding into trades where we're in profit. That's not normal for me. But I'm learning that psychology. So let's see if it plays out. Yeah, minis get my heart racing a little bit more than I want. So I'm just adding a micro at each point.
Order filled.
I locked it in. Sorry, guys. Sorry, that was enough practice for me. All right, that was W's in the chat. I can't. I was in pain. I was excruciating. I was having FOMO. I was feeling emotions. I said I'll take profits here if we get there. We did, and I was like, what if it turns around? So take this with a grain of salt as far as like trading in itself. Like I did good by adding to a winner, okay? Because I know that most unprofitable traders add to losers, okay? So when he discussed that, I was like, okay, that makes sense. So as we're moving into the trade, add into it, right? And I saw it and I was doing it. It felt good. I was like, or it felt uncomfortable, but I was getting used to it. I'm looking at the charts. We get the TP. I feel the pressure that I'm live with you guys. And I'm like, okay, do I take profits and just close it and end on a winning day? And yes, I did that. So I took it out of the fact that I didn't want to have a loser. So that's not good. So the biggest takeaway today is I took profits solely because I felt the pressure of wanting to have a winning day. So learn from that because that's not good. But either way, let's get our wins. Let's get our W's in the chat. All right, guys, we caught a live trade on this long on gold. We added to our winner, which was pretty new for me. So we usually average down, or that's what. And I added in, and we got W's in the chat. So W's in the chat, good job, guys. If you took that trade, great. Have a great rest of the day. Nice trade is eval. Yeah, it's on eval. This is my 50K funded. I haven't traded the funded accounts on Funded Hero. I don't want to feel the pressure of trying to make money right now. But there you go. There, it's going higher. It's going higher. All good. All good. This is learning curve. This is learning. So let's recap the trade and why we took it. Here's the 5-minute demand. We've been making higher highs and higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high. And then we were looking for this to be a higher low. It retraced deeper than I'd like. And then when we zoomed down to the 1 minute, we had a nice little trend line form. So once it bounced back up off the 5-minute demand, broke the trend line, I decided let's enter back in because the trade idea could be right. Boom, we entered in. And we scaled into the trade as we moved higher into profits, and then we took profit. So, bro, shaking, bro, yeah, dude, it's emotional. It's trading a lot, and I'm live with you guys. So, yeah, I am shaking. Oh, well, maybe I'm not. I'm not shaking, but I can feel my heart. I can feel my heart racing. There's an app that I can use with OBS where I can put my heart rate up. My heart rate, let's see where my heart rate is now. 80. So I'm a lot more calm than I was. But during the trade, bro, like, of course, my heart rate's up, man. I'm nervous. Oh, bro, it's hitting that TP. I think even the best of traders, the best of traders out there, still their heart rates get high. It's just recognizing it. I knew it. I felt it. And I feel it right now. Like, I feel the high. We made the win. I feel the FOMO that I didn't hold to TP. But yeah. So whatever. There's no way for anyone to be a robot and not have emotions. You know, emotions are always part of it. Scared money don't make money. You got to learn to detach your emotions. 100%. 100%. Detach yourself from the outcome. Not easy. It never will be. And I don't think I'll ever achieve full detachment from any trade and emotion. I think I preach it on the channel all the time. It's recognizing those things and not acting upon it. Is my body going to shake? Is my heart rate going to go up? Yeah, because I don't have control over my heart rate. You know what I mean? What I can control is not reacting from those feelings. NQ. Nah, just hear me out. Hear me out. I might not do it, but this NQ shorts, see how we made on 1 hour. We just look at this. Okay. Boom, boom. Lower low, lower high. We made another lower low here. So, boom. Okay. So, just going with the flow, I'm anticipating the next leg lower. This is a big run up. This is pretty strong. There's a lot of buyers. But that's what's coming to mind right now. So call me crazy, but I think shorts look good. I wish I had a third monitor for Discord. Yeah, I've got the Discord pulled up on the right. Well, I have one screen. It's a vertical. It's where I do all my chatting, but that Discord is not pulled up like as we speak. Where my drive is. Shoot, I literally have to hit the road at 9. I gotta be on the road by 9. What is this community about? We like to have fun and make and lose money. This is a big candle. It is, Hammer. It is. It's pretty big. Yeah. V bottom. Just be cautious. Yeah, 100%. I agree with you. Lots of buyers. Big run up. This hourly candle just super bearish. And then we have the bulls come up, but you gotta take the shot. So I want it to touch the 1 hour supply. That's for sure. So I have TX3 on one monitor and TradingView on the other. Nice. No boys, no food band, no fun, no boys, no food band, na. That song is freaking catchy. Ain't it catchy, y'all? Can y'all just say, yes, it's catchy, bruh. Alright? No boys, no food band, no fun, no baby. No boys, no food band. We are a community that blow funded accounts for fun. I guess so. It does feel stupid trying to short this right now, but I'm just going with the trend on the 1 hour, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Call me crazy, but I'm just going with the trend on the 1 hour. No boys, no blue friend, no boys, no blue friend, Hashtag God Candle, let's go. You crazy? I am, man. I am. I can be. I can be. no broke boys, no new friends, no dancing. Oh shoot. Drop a single, bro. Yeah. Okay, all right. It's live. It's lit. We're live. I'm gonna catch a next retracement, hopefully. Science experiment. Yeah. Come on, man. You sent something in Discord. Discord. Do you think it'll make it? Hard to tell. Don't know what the time frame is, and yeah, it's hard to tell, bro. Take a cold shower. Dude, I don't think those human I like I don't know. I have my opinions about like trying to do physical things for human behavior. Um some of that stuff does help, but I feel like journaling is like the most powerful thing you can do. You can physically do things all day long, but if you can sit with your thoughts and like actually know how you're feeling, that was a game changer for me. So that's a 1 hour time frame. It's equal lows on the 1 hour, equal bottom. So tough to say, but there's a chance, bro. There's a chance. Might be wrong. Dang, Daniel. Dang, gold is gone. This right here would be longs. Time is it? 8:34. You're scalping long. Nice, brother. Nice, nice, nice. Wrong side of things today. All good, man. Been there plenty of times. But you might be right. You never know. You can flip and go your way. Just got to manage that risk. It's not giving me like a great signal to go enter short. I didn't want to just FOMO in short, but dang it, guys, I don't think I have the time to sit here and wait because I got to hit the road. So shoot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This thing's coming. This thing's coming right down here. 25,464. There's a great chance for it to just come down here, but I don't want to. Missed out on the short so far, but if this 5-minute candle flips bullish, I think it'll break this 62850 high. But if this 5-minute candle closes bearish on the 13 EMA, there may be a chance it just keeps going lower. So all right, looks like it's flipping here.
Order filled.
Oof, I got faked out. I got faked out. Ah, emotional shack. I'm gonna lock myself out of this one. I really, after if I get stopped out, I'm really frustrated that the fact that I just took this trade. My mind was like saying, yeah, you're up for the day. Why go long? But I was just reading the markets and feeling pressured. Just felt pressured, you know? Ay, caramba.
Order filled.
There you go. All right, we're only up 600 for the day. I said shorts, but for whatever reason, I felt the pressure of long. I felt the pressure of trading. So I really got to think about that today and think about, you know, what's going through my head and everything like that, because it was clear. It was clear as day. I got emotional, and now I feel on tilt. So there you go. That was live. 14 people watching me go live tilt. My mind was like, oh, we're in this 5-minute demand. It closed above it. You know, it's going to break the trend. It's going to keep going higher. But instead, my original thoughts of shorts were a better trade. It was a better trade. That being said, I'm locking myself out. Should have did that earlier. Done. Can't trade for the rest of the day. Locked out. And hurts, but that's me being emotional and taking a trade that wasn't even much of a trade. I mean, it was in a 5-minute demand, and it broke the highs, but I took it out of more of a fact that like I wanted to make more money, so it was more greed. But you know, locked out for the day. It is what it is, and we're done. Hey man, you did great. Happens to be the best of us. Locked the count now. Enjoy the day. Yeah, exactly. I thought the same thing. They're on a up to test your interest spot. Yeah, this 5-minute candle wick's actually pretty shows weakness. It might continue lower. So today I'm going to set alerts down here for NQ. I think longs on NQ here sound good because we broke this higher low. We broke above it, so now longs down here look interesting. Don't know why I didn't short. I was literally looking for shorts, and I just flipped my bias. Let me think about that. I was looking for shorts. Ready for shorts. And then I decided to go long when I saw this. I formulated this idea in a matter of seconds, and I'm like, oh, what if it goes long? What if it goes long and I miss out? It's because I'm feeling pressured. It's because I got to drive. Like, I got to go. You know what I mean? I want to make one more trade, you know, and I should have recognized that feeling and not reacted from it. But it happened. I locked myself out. We're up for the day, and we just move on. Tomorrow's another day. Lord willing, we be here. We're here again tomorrow. So, okay, I'm locked out. There's nothing I can do. I appreciate you guys. This was a fun one. Remember the song, no block boys, no new things, no don't think about that thing. Remember that. Play that in your mind every day or all day long, and then we'll sing it again tomorrow. Deal? I'll see you guys tomorrow.